Let's talk about trig ratio names. I think they could be better. Here we got a triangle, a right triangle, and we're going to look at a specific angle. And relative to this angle, we need to name our sides. You've seen this before. So let's call this one the hypotenuse. And the one down here that's next to the angle we'll call adjacent. And then across from that angle we'll have opposite. And let's just for convenience call them H, A, and O. All right, now let's write down the 6 different ratios of these sides. We have A to H. We have an O to H. And then we have our O to A. And then we could take the reciprocal of each of these and end up with H to A, H to O, and A to O. All right, so we've got our ratios. Let's give them names. No drum roll, but we'll call this tangent. And then when we take the reciprocal, we'll call it cotangent. How clever. And, okay, let's see. All right, this will be sine. And then when we take the reciprocal, we'll obviously call it cosine. We're being consistent after all. Oh, but wait, that's completely wrong. That's not cosine. This is cosine up here, A over H. So this is logically inconsistent, at least as I see it. And I'm wondering who out there is actually impressed by these names. I know there's historical reasons for them and where they came from, but that doesn't mean they're optimal. What if instead of memorizing SOH-CAH-TOA to help us remember, we just went with, hey, what's the A to H ratio? What's the O to H? What's the O to A? Aren't the names that we currently have just adding an abstraction? And I get that's what names are, but then again, it's a pain that I have to have a mnemonic device just to remember what's what. Anyway, what are your thoughts? What would your naming scheme be? All right, I think we're too late, but sometimes it's fun to think about these things. Thanks for listening. Take care. Bye.